A draw in tough conditions in the end. Is that a fair result?
No, I think we had the fair share of the game, really. To be honest, Barri are a really defensively strong team. They've proven that all season. We've played against them. This is the fourth time we've played against them this year. That's the most opportunities we've created in a game against them. Now, were we clinical in the final third? No. Could we have been better? Yes. But the build-up up until that final bit, I thought we were really good today. And again, you know, it just shows that anyone who plays in this team and for this club is ready to go. And I mean that as well with the younger players who came on at the end. So I think the weather was tough, but I think sometimes you've got to show a bit of bravery and a bit of courage to really bring the ball down and play through that. And we managed to do that a lot more second half. So yeah, no, happy with a draw, but I would have loved, obviously, the 3 points.
Was the draw a fair result?
Yeah, I think so. I think both teams, I think we sort of not dominated the first half, but we had the better of the first half, and they certainly had the better of the second half. So no complaints. Coming here against a really good side, just qualified for Europe already, is a good point for us.
O'Reilly, congratulations on making your league debut this afternoon. And in tough conditions, you did pretty well. Happy with the draw?
Yeah, I think the draw probably was the fair result. I thought we were a better team in possession, but obviously playing in the conditions, you know, it's hard, especially in the first half. I thought the wind was very strong coming our way, but yeah, it settled in the first half, and the draw was probably the fair result.
You've also been playing recently for Wales schoolboys, and by the end this afternoon, I think there were 4 players on the field playing for the Nomads who were a part of that under-18 team.
Yeah, it's really good to see, especially credit to the gaffer. You know, he gives a lot of young players opportunities, and credit to him. And you know, it's really good the scholarship they're playing programme. You know, we get given opportunities, and we're really grateful for that.
Ian, game glos, game gyfartal, Ymateb?
Yeah, mae'r, you know, dy tywydd ddim yn helpu pelan yn yr awyr, ond yeah, mae fe'n anodd dod i Cei Connah, and yeah, mae fe'n pwynt yn y lle cywir.
Jacob Cook's another one that's been on loan from Swansea, and he's grown to be an integral part of the side.
Jacob Cook is, for me, the best midfielder in the league. Nobody ever speaks about him. I love him to bits. Unfortunately, we probably won't be working with him next year. I would love to. I think he's absolutely outstanding. And for me, how we've got him this weekend, there must be some very good midfielders in the Wales setup. Because how he's not playing on an international stage this weekend, I don't know. And by the way, I played very badly in that same position as Jacob Cook, so I know what the integral parts are. Yeah, I'm so fortunate to work with him because Kit gets a lot of plaudits from the under-21 setup, but Jacob Cook is a fantastic footballer, and he's going to have a very good career. And I've said very quite a lot there.